I wanted a device that I could put in my den and people wouldn't think it was like some crazy ridiculous home built, and this is my attempt at it. This Ikea Lack table. I wanted 2 gauges on it, so these are clock hands sitting on servos. You can see this here is in paper mock-up. I have some LED blinking lights. This could have been an LED display now. When I built this, it was a little older. This is about 40% of an IKEA table. You can see the leg here hole, and I cut it off before the other leg hole, so I didn't have to get it exactly right. And so this is the back side. This is a hot glue project, man. Hot glue mess. And here is the Raspberry Pi. This is actually in here on a right angle header, and the header's really long, so you can actually plug things into the bottom of it and into the top, and plug this thing in on the side. The headers just kind of stick through. You can see here that the servo is glued in, and these are cardboard in here, so you're able to run the wires up through the back, and these are plugged into the bottom of this bracket, and there's the IKEA instructions. And there you go. So this is a hacked up table that I turned into a device to put on our den.